Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with one that was heavily requested in the comment section of all the BLACKPINK song and Lisa song that I've been reacting to. So this one is DJ Snake, Ozuna, Megan Thee Stallion, and Lisa with SG, and SG means sexy girl. So we're gonna jump right in this one and hear what they have to say about this one. And I know I'm gonna enjoy it anyway, because you guys know the vibe. You guys know the vibe, and you guys been saying to just react to it. So let's jump in this one and hear what they got to say. Also, guys, please do remember to drop a sub on the channel if you haven't done so already. That really helps us. And drop a like on the video as well, so it goes in other people's recommendation. All right, so let's go. DJ Snake, Ozuna, Lisa, Megan Thee Stallion as well. So the subtitles is on, but it's still it's still not coming up in English. So I'm trying to get it up in English. I don't know what's going on with it. Okay, click settings for English. Okay, one second. Yeah, it says English. It says English. It says English, but oh well. Déjate llevar por lo que te diga la música. Mírame como que te lucía. Te miro y puedo verte única. Pa' colmo, demasiado de salida. Déjame que me caiga la noche. Voy a pasar a buscarte en el coche. Me encanta cuando tú me miras. No quiero olvidar aquella noche. Déjame que me caiga la noche. Voy a pasar a buscarte en el coche. Me encanta cuando tú me miras. No quiero. It's got a vibe to it, man. Can we just say these girls in this video are sexy, is sexy, and will forever be sexy? This has like a summer feel to it, like a summer vibe to it. I believe this came out what, 2 years ago? Let me check. 2 years ago, yeah, 2 years ago, and it has a summer vibe to it. I like it. Let's go, Megan. Okay, Lisa time. The iconic dancing. So you got Megan twerking and Lisa doing her thing, just killing the dance.
He like him, think I got that body, yaddy yaddy. I must be who they study, cause I'm always the subject. Professor, finesse, teach you bitches how to keep it player under pressure.
She came in.
Hey, he wanna party with a hottie. He say he like him, think I got that body, yaddy yaddy. I must be who they study, cause I'm always the subject. Professor, finesse, teach you bitches how to keep it player under pressure. Thick thighs, brown eyes, pretty brown skin. 99 problems and ain't none of them a man. Get the head before I let you get the tail.
Ah, shit. I gotta get the head before I let you get the tail. Okay.
Thick thighs, brown eyes, pretty brown skin. 99 problems and ain't none of them a man. Many men tried, but many men fail. I gotta get the head before I let you get the tail. Sexy girl.
Go Lisa. Ready?
Baila what you want, dance for you. I swear, sway all night with you. Baila coming in close to you. Yeah. Till the sun comes up, I'll be here with you. No lie, no lie. Got me in the mood when it just us two. I fly, yeah. Sexy girl.
Ah, man, I need some more. 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 Why is it not in English though? Why is the subtitles not in English? That's really getting to me. Why is it not in English, man? It's got a tropic vibe, man. Woo-hoo! She goes. Let's go, Megan.
Wanna party with a hottie. He say he like him, think I got that body, yaddy, yaddy.
Yeah.
I must be who they study, cause I'm always the subject. Professor, finesse. Teach you bitches how to keep it player under pressure. Thick thighs, brown eyes, pretty brown skin. 99 problems and ain't none of them a man. Many men tried, but many men fail. I gotta get the head before I let you get the tail.
Sexy girl. That verse was tight. That verse was tight. Yep, go, Lisa. She's enjoying this video. Lisa is actually enjoying this, bro. She is actually in this. She's in it. She's in it.
Baila what you want, dance for you. I swear, sway all night with you. Baila coming in close to you. Yeah. Till the sun comes up, I'll be here with you. No lie, got me in the mood when it just us two. I fly, yeah. Sexy girl.
For me personally, I wanted Lisa to have a longer verse. I'm not sure if that was 16 bars, but that seemed like an 8 bar to me. We needed a longer verse. Well, I needed a longer verse for Lisa's part. Lisa's part compared to Ozuna, his part was very long. So Lisa, come on.
You know I don't play. Make you fall in love, won't touch you, be safe. On fire, why won't you behave? My love gon' send you up into a higher place.
Yo, the video is clean. The video is clean as hell. So I'll take it that is DJ Snake production, right? DJ Snake is not actually singing. He's just the production for this one, right? That's what I'm getting. Yeah. Megan Thee Stallion did her thing. Her verse was crazy. Ozuna did his thing, even though I couldn't understand what he was saying. Lisa verse should have been longer for me, but she killed it. They all come together and kill this track. Sexy Girl, SG, for real, for real. This one has been heavily requested in the comment section, so that's why we're here. So when you guys request something, you guys get it. So that's what we're doing right now. All right. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Please remember to drop a sub on the channel, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.